Hi kids! Today we are going to learn something interesting. You all love to eat tasty and yummy food. But have you ever tried making a dish and serving it to your family members? So here's an opportunity for you to do so. So today in English for Standard 4, we are going to learn to make a salad in our lesson Be a Chef. We are going to make a sea salad. Now why is it known as sea salad? Because the vegetables which we are going to use all begin with the alphabet C, like the cucumber, carrots and cabbage. Now let's see the ingredients that are required to make this tasty and nourishing salad. Carrot, cucumber, cabbage, salt, pepper powder, sugar, ginger, lemon, roasted peanuts, chilies and coriander for garnish. Now we shall see how to make the salad. Clean and wash the vegetables well. Pat them dry with a clean napkin or towel. Grate the carrot and the cucumber. You may peel the cucumber before grating it. Before you use the cucumber, cut off both its ends. Then cut off thin slices from both ends. Taste the slices to make sure that the cucumber is not bitter to taste. Grate the cabbage till you have 2 tablespoons of grated cabbage. Now we will take a clean bowl and we'll mix the grated carrot, cucumber, cabbage, and we'll mix it well. Once it is mixed well, we will sprinkle a little salt, it's according to your taste, pepper, that is the pepper powder, how much spicy you want accordingly, a 1/4 spoon of sugar, grate the ginger using a small grater and add the grated ginger to the mixture. Add the juice of half a lemon. Nicely squeeze the lemon. Mix well. Now we'll add the crushed peanut powder. This is slightly, you can roast the peanut and then you can grind it or crush it. If you like to have it more spicy, you can add a little bit of green chilies to it. And then mix everything well. And the last and the most very important ingredient, that is the coriander. You have to wash the coriander and cut it. This is for garnish, so you can garnish your salad nicely with coriander. And here a healthy and nutritious sea salad is ready to eat. I hope so you like it. I hope so you've enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.